Imagine this. You're sitting with someone, trying to have a normal conversation. And suddenly, your brain goes poof, completely blank. You open your mouth, and nothing comes out. Awkward silence, sweaty palms. You hope the floor swallows you whole. Problem reveal. Here's the real problem. It's not that you can't speak. It's that you have nothing to think about. Every day, the moment you wake up, you grab your phone. Reels, shorts, TikToks, endless scrolling. Hours pass by. Your brain watches everything, but it never works. It never creates. It never thinks. Your mind is like a sponge. But instead of absorbing ideas, it's just soaking random content. Funny videos, meaningless memes, random news. All entertainment, no thought. By the time someone talks to you, your brain is tired. Empty. There's nothing left to say. This is why conversations feel so hard. You struggle to form sentences. Your thoughts are delayed. You can't come up with anything original. And it's not your fault. Your brain has been trained for months, even years, to consume, not create, to react, not think. This overload also affects your confidence. You feel insecure. You hesitate to speak. You avoid conversations. Even small talks feel impossible. You wonder, why can't I think of something interesting? Am I always going to be boring? The truth is, your brain isn't lazy. It's overloaded. It's exhausted from too much input. And because it never gets a chance to process, you're left blank at the wrong time. Understanding this is the first step. Once you know why your mind goes empty, you can start fixing it. You can start learning how to have ideas, so you never run out of things to say again. Relatable pain. So now you know the problem. But let's talk about how it feels in real life. When someone starts a conversation with you, you freeze. Your mind is blank. You struggle to say even a single sentence. You mumble, yeah, okay, alright. And that's it. The conversation dies. You feel invisible. You notice people are talking confidently, laughing, sharing ideas, stories. And you just sit there. Then the thoughts start. Maybe I'm boring. Maybe I'm too quiet. I'll never be interesting. You start labeling yourself. Introvert. Shy. Boring. Every small social interaction becomes stressful. Even simple chats with friends feel impossible. You avoid new people. You avoid speaking. You just want to hide. And here's the thing. It's not your personality. It's not a flaw. It's the state of your brain. Your brain is overloaded. Your thoughts are zero. You've been consuming content for hours, without thinking, without creating. That's why the moment you need to speak, there's nothing to say. You might even feel guilty. Why can't I join in? Why do people seem so interesting, and I feel empty? You see, this isn't a personal failure. It's a common problem. Millions of people feel the same way. Every day, they scroll, consume, forget to think. The first step to fixing it is realizing this. It's not that you're boring. It's that your brain has no fuel, no thoughts, no ideas. And once you understand this, everything changes. Because now, you know it's fixable. You can train your brain to think, so conversations don't feel scary. And you never run out of things to say. Big twist. So, how do interesting people always have something to say? Do they talk more than everyone else? No. Do they have scripted lines memorized? No. They don't rely on tricks. They don't try to impress. The secret is simple. They think more. They observe more. They question life constantly. Every little thing becomes an idea. A small conversation, a stranger's action, a scene on the street. All become fuel for thoughts. They notice details you ignore. They ask questions silently in their mind. Why did that happen? Why do people act this way? What can I learn from this? They think about stories, patterns, behaviors. They reflect on small events in their life. They ask themselves deep questions. Why do people fake confidence? Why do friends drift apart? Why does this always happen to me? This constant thinking is what fills their brain with ideas. Ideas that turn into conversations, stories, opinions, insights. Interesting people don't try to be interesting. They just train their mind to generate thoughts. Their brain is a garden, and ideas are seeds. The more they observe, the more seeds grow. And this is the twist. If you want endless things to say, stop focusing on talking. Start focusing on thinking. The more your mind produces ideas, the more naturally your words flow. Now you know the truth. Interesting people are not born that way. They simply use their brain differently. They don't scroll endlessly. They don't consume only. they create inside their mind. And that's the secret you can use too. Train your mind, notice, reflect, and your conversations will never run dry again. Core idea. If you want to never run out of things to say, stop trying to talk more. Start trying to think more. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Consume less. Stop scrolling everything. Stop watching every reel, short, or video. Your brain is not a trash can. If you feed it mindless content all day, you won't have anything left to think. Choose carefully what you watch. Watch only what adds value or makes you think. Step 2. Observe everything. Watch people. Notice how they speak. Notice their actions, their habits, their reactions. Ask yourself silently, why did they say that? Why did they react like this? Observation is content for your brain. It gives your mind ideas. It fills your mental garden with seeds. Step 3. Think deeply. Whenever you see or experience something, stop for 2 minutes. Ask questions. Why is this happening? Why do people behave this way? What can I learn from this? Even small thoughts can grow into big conversation topics. For example, why do some people fake confidence? Why do some friendships fade away? Why does someone act a certain way in public? These small thoughts become your ideas, your opinions, your stories, and eventually, your words. When you follow these 3 steps consistently, consume less, observe more, think deeply, your brain will always have ideas ready. Conversations will never feel awkward. You will naturally have something to say without forcing yourself. The key is simple: stop feeding your brain noise. Start feeding it thoughts, ideas, observations, reflections, and your social life and your confidence will change completely. Powerful realization. Here's the most important truth. You don't need topics to talk. You need thoughts. When your brain is empty, you stay silent. You can't think of anything. You feel awkward. Even small conversations feel impossible. But when your brain is full of ideas, stories, observations, reflections, you automatically become interesting. You don't need to force it. Words flow naturally. Think about it. Interesting people are not always louder. They are not always funnier. They are not memorizing lines. They think more. Their brain is full. Their mind is producing ideas every second. That's why they never run out of things to say. The same can happen to you. Fill your brain with ideas, observations, and questions. Your words will follow. You will be confident without trying. You will contribute to every conversation. You will feel relaxed. This is why consuming less, observing more, and thinking deeply is so powerful. It's not about talking more. It's about thinking more. It's about creating inside your mind. When your brain is full, you feel alive in conversations. You feel confident. You feel smart. You feel interesting. And here's the secret. Every thought you generate, every observation you make, is a building block for conversation. It's a mental library you can draw from any time. So remember, stop focusing on talking. Start focusing on thinking. Fill your brain with ideas, not noise. Because thoughts are the fuel of interesting conversations. And once your brain is full, you will never run out of things to say.